Welcome to Huly, your all-in-one solution for managing workflows. Let's see how Huly can transform your workflows into next-level productivity. The first thing you'll find on Huly is a powerful, highly configurable task tracker that offers extensive options for customization to make it your own. Divide up your tasks into projects and customize who can see what so your information stays secure. Break down tasks into subtasks, add labels and due dates, and stay organized with milestones and templates. Customize your task tracker with task types and process states, and view your tasks however you want with sorting and filtered lists. Integrate your tracker with GitHub for two-way synchronization of issues, pull requests, comments, and more. Assign a task to a team member and set the status to To-Do to create an action item in that person's planner. In the planner, you'll see your own agenda, all of your own action items, and your personal schedule. Schedule action items on your calendar and watch your productivity soar as you check them off throughout your workday. Need to schedule a meeting with a teammate? Your team tracker has you covered. At a glance, see who's busy when and what tasks will be accomplished that day. Open your planner in the sidebar to check your own schedule. Schedule a meeting and invite teammates to keep everyone in the loop. Of course, there's more to your workflows than tasks and meetings. That's why Huly includes a dynamic knowledge management system with documents that you can collaborate on in real time. Documents and files are woven into the rest of your Huly workspace, so you can reference them from anywhere. Documents can be edited in real time by multiple people. You can see where others are typing on the page, and all changes are recorded in the activity section. You can even create action items right from within documents, making it easy to keep everyone on the same page. Huly's Human Resources module allows team members to log their sick days, vacations, and paid time off, as well as overtime and remote work. Managing time off is simple with this bird's-eye view of every employee's schedule. Teams on Huly will also enjoy a comprehensive contacts management system. With designated areas for storing employee and external contact information, it's easy to share that information among your team. Contacts can be connected to issues in the tracker, so you can coordinate follow-up calls and communication. Finally, let's take a look at the heartbeat of team collaboration on the Huly platform, chat and virtual office. Designed to be a complete replacement for Slack, Zoom, and Google Meet, Huly's Chat and Virtual Office revolutionizes the way remote teams collaborate by integrating powerful communication tools directly within the rest of the workspace. In Chat, teams can communicate in channels, direct messages, and threads. Pin conversations to the sidebar for easy access as you navigate the platform. In the Virtual Office, teams can meet individually or in groups through video and audio calls. You can also pin your call to the sidebar to continue the conversation while collaborating on issues, documents, and more. The Huly inbox brings everything together. In this central communication hub, you can see all of your notifications in one place, from chat messages to activity from anywhere within the workspace. Best of all notifications that come through your Huly inbox can also be delivered to your mobile device through our Telegram integration. Using Telegram, you can see and respond to messages and activity in your workspace from your phone, even when you're on the go. It's easy to see how Huly revolutionizes workflow management by bringing everything you need into one single platform. Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Visit huly.io and start your journey today.